All right, join me on page 668 in your reading textbook. Our vocabulary for this week: non-renewable, renewable, adverse, generate, and apparatus. Okay, follow along.
Sources of energy. The energy we use in just about all aspects of our daily lives comes from two types of sources: non-renewable and renewable.
Okay, let's look at these captions.
Solar collectors.
And the caption down at the bottom.
Oil drilling platform.
So this would be an example of renewable energy, solar collectors, and oil drilling platform would be an example of non-renewable energy. Okay, let's read about the two different types, non-renewable and renewable. Follow along.
Non-renewable sources of energy. Most of the energy we use comes from deposits of fossil fuels in the earth. These include coal, natural gas, and petroleum. Once these natural resources are used up, they are gone forever. Getting fossil fuels out of the earth involves drilling, mining, building pipelines, and other processes that can have adverse effects on the environment. Releasing the energy in fossil fuels requires combustion. This burning process releases pollutants that can contribute to acid rain and global warming.
Okay, now let's learn a little bit about renewable sources of energy.
Renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources of energy are everlasting. Using them does not use them up. They generate much less pollution, both in gathering and production, than non-renewable sources. Solar energy comes from the sun. Solar panels on buildings convert sunlight to electricity. Wind can generate electricity by turning a turbine, an apparatus with blades similar to a giant windmill. Geothermal energy comes from heat in Earth's core. Engineers use the heat to create steam to generate electricity. Dams and rivers generate hydropower. Water flowing through a dam activates a turbine that runs an electric generator.
And it's strange to think when I was in 6th grade, your guys' age, I mean, you could walk through a neighborhood and not see any solar panels on any homes. And now you walk through almost any neighborhood and you'll find at least a few houses that have solar panels on their homes. It's a big change since when I was a kid. Okay, page 669, follow along.
Energy producers and consumers. Here's a look at the world's top 10 energy consumers and producers. Top 10 energy producers. 1. United States. 2. Russia. 3. China. 4. Saudi Arabia. 5. Canada. 6. United Kingdom. 7. Iran. 8. Norway. 9. Australia. 10. Mexico. Top 10 energy consumers. 1. United States. 2. China. 3. Russia. 4. Japan. 5. Germany. 6. India. 7. Canada. 8. France. 9. United Kingdom. 10. Brazil.
Okay.
Source: Energy Information Administration, U.S. Department of Energy.
Okay, let's look at wind power. I'm going to start with the little caption here.
Wind farm.
So if you drive through like Tehachapi area, you might see some of these wind farms. Let's learn more. Follow along.
Wind power. Wind exists because the sun warms Earth's surface air unevenly. Warm air expands and rises. Cool air rushes in to take its place. The resulting air movement is wind. Technology can turn this wind and the sun into pollution-free energy. The wind that blows through North Dakota, South Dakota, and Texas could create enough electricity to meet the needs of the entire country. More than 10,000 U.S. homes are totally powered by solar energy. The largest wind farm in the world is in Altamont Pass, California. It has 6,500 windmills. If every shopping mall in the U.S. had solar panels on its roof, the panels would produce enough power for every house in the country. Sources: Solar Energy Research and Education Foundation. The Wind at Work by Gretchen Wolfley.
Okay, thanks for watching. And I believe that's the last one. Yes. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.